I don't know these people. I have never seen them in my life. I do not know them.
You don't know me.
I don't know you.
She knows us.
I do not know these people. They are embarrassing me in front of people.
How come I know you?
How do you know me?
She's a comedian because
okay, what's your name?
Aunt.
What's your name?
Prince.
Prince who?
Prince 𝙏𝙝𝙬 𝙁𝙤𝙧.
Wow. So, what's special about you?
It's that your name David means the trophy.
And what are you doing here?
I am your son.
And where are we?
We are in...
Are we,
I don't know.
Are we in commercial?
Are you crazy? This is not even close to commercial. We are in New York.
What are we doing in New York?
We're having some quality time.
What color is the Statue of Liberty?
It's kind of blue and green.
Kind of?
Blue and green.
Okay.
That blue and dark blue mixed with light green.
What do you love about America?
Yes, it is beautiful
But you have to look at the camera. How are you going to be a star if you can't even look at the camera?
And the flags are everywhere. There are beautiful buildings. They even have seagulls. And the Statue of Liberty and the Eiffel Tower mean a lot of things.
The Eiffel Tower's in America.
Choir singers, one chaperone with every 10 children, and that the group remain together at all times. Under normal conditions, the last ferry will be departing from Liberty Island at 5 o'clock.